As used in this selection, breach means A. Repair, B. Build, C. Colonize, or D. Break through. Let's begin by locating where breach is mentioned in the original text. We see the word breach in the fourth paragraph that tells us that Johnson and Bloom discovered that ants would eventually breach a cobblestone barrier. Going back to our first paragraph, we see that Johnson and Bloom's problem is that these harvester ants had tunneled into soil covering radioactive wastes. Therefore, they are trying to come up with ways to prevent these ants from doing so. However, as we saw, the fourth paragraph tells us that they discovered the ants would eventually breach a cobblestone barrier, which was the first thing they tried to keep these ants out. We can understand that this is not what they wanted, as the next sentence tells us they tested another combination, indicating that their first plan didn't work. Because we know the point of the experiment is to try and keep the ants out, a plan that didn't work would mean that the ants were able to get in. Therefore, breach, in this context, must mean to break through. Going down to our choices, we can see that D, break through, perfectly matches our definition and can be marked as our final answer.